Hey YouTubers, Stressed Out 72 here. Just a quick update. This has been running a total of 20 minutes. And just wanted to show you. Okay, 550 in 20 minutes. So I've turned up my blower fan. Matter of fact, I'll even turn it up more here. You kind of see where it's at here. Right there. That other line on the side there is about 600 degrees, so I just want to get it a little bit above that. My needle valve is still only half open, and I'm going to go ahead and show you what this looks like inside now. And you can kind of hear it roaring. Cute little blast furnace. Alright. By the way, that box right there is 1/2-inch stainless. You don't have to use that, but I like to use it because it holds a lot of heat. A lot of guys will use a brake drum, which is fine, but over time, from heating and cooling, the brake drum tends to fall apart. So that's why I went with stainless steel. So that's the complete setup. I have a 270-gallon oil tank storage right there, and you can see I need to go get some oil. There's only about 100 gallons in there right now. I also have a sight gauge on this tank too. You see it right there. So I'm gonna have to fill that up here, in a couple of days. I actually burn 3 quarts an hour, and the nozzle that I have in there is for 1 gallon an hour. So that's my setup. Thanks for watching.